R is a statistical software that is very useful for a lot of calculations and statistical analysis and visualizations of data. I'm going to guide you through some of the basic steps for the installation of this open source software. We will be using RStudio, which requires that we first install R and then we install RStudio. This is typically very straightforward to do at your own computer. To install R, we visit the website of the R project, which is the URL we have here. This is the website of the R project. And once we are in this website, we go to this link, download R. And that will prompt you into a number of locations for mirrors. The idea here being that you choose a mirror that is the closest to the geographical location where you are. So in my case, since I am in East Tennessee, I will likely be inclined to go with this mirror that is located in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. Okay, and you choose the one that is closest to you. Once you do that, you will be prompted to another page in which you will choose which package to download to install according to the operating system you have running on your computer. Okay, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS X, or Linux, you choose that accordingly. So once you have installed R, then it's time for you to install RStudio. RStudio is a little more friendly display of this package. And when you visit the URL and that slide, you will be prompted to this website. We would like to note that this says that it requires to have already installed and operating a specific version of R. So if you have installed R first, you should be okay complying with this. And then you proceed to choose the installer for RStudio, again, that is in accordance with the operating system you have running. Either you have a Windows machine or a Mac OS X or some distribution of Linux, then you would choose here accordingly. And this completes the brief guidelines for installing RStudio in your own computer. Thank you.